The whole country, the whole world should be doing my exercises. They'd be happier. The Athlete's Secret Weapon. Get it wherever books are sold. It's Coach Vigue filming at Nick's Pro Fitness. This is Pilates on the go. For all my on-the-go workouts, the link is in the above right-hand side of the screen and the About section below. Add this workout to any one of your gym workouts. It's quick, it's effective. Repeat as much as you like. Great for men, women, everyone. All you need is your body weight. Let's begin with the Pilates 100. Breathe in the nose and out the mouth. 5 pulses in, 5 pulses out. Point the feet, heels are together, zipping up the legs. You can always watch this video first, get the hang of it, and then do it with me. But you want to stabilize your core, which is your abdominals, lower back, hips, and glutes. Doing 100 pulses. Sometimes I add an extra 10 to these, keeping my chin slightly tucked. Bend the knees to modify. Finishing up strong. The final 10. Boom, there we are. Feel those abs already responding. Going into 5 roll-ups. Legs together. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, up and over the toes. Tuck the chin, C curve in the spine. Roll down like a wheel on the spine. Pause. Exhale, peel off the mat. So rolling up and down. 4 more times. You want to smooth out the movements. Be as precise as possible. Lots of breath. Oxygen pumping throughout the body, reaching up and over, top of the head forward. Tuck the chin, round it down. Do this workout anywhere, anytime. All right, one more time. Slow it down, wring out the spine, up and over, stretch out the spine, flushing it out. The Pilates Big Five. Buckle up, my friends, beginning with single leg stretch, 10 repetitions. Evening out the sides, fingers brushing the knee. A little smile for the cameras. 10 single straight leg stretches. Double pulses on these. Grab as high as you can on the leg, elbows to the outside. Those legs are creating a lot of movement, and your core is working extra hard to keep your body anchored into the mat. Going right into double leg stretch. 6 repetitions. Inhale, extend back. Exhale, bring it in. The upper body should barely move as you do this movement. Nice big stretch for the shoulders as well. Get the rhythm. Every movement with a purpose. Okay. 5 double straight leg stretches. Flex the feet as you lower, point as you raise. Inhale down, exhale up. Modify by bending the knees. Fingers to the back of the head, hands under the hips, or prayer position with the hands. Good. One more time. Finish strong into the crisscross. 20 repetitions. Lift your chest to the knee. You can add extra speed to this to raise the heart rate. A nice little cardio burn in there, isn't it? Okay, bring it up and over. We got 6. Pull the straps. Pull the straps. Arms to the sides. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale forward. Exhale, pull back. This is taken from the Pilates Reformer, so imagine pulling some weight, some resistance as you go through this movement. Long, lean muscles. One more time and flow it right into swimming. 10 repetitions, opposite arm, opposite leg. Inhale, lift, exhale, down. Perhaps lift a little further each time. Keep your neck in line with the rest of your spine, so you're not looking forward and kinking the back of the neck. All right, up and over, up and at them. 10 boat twists. Come to half boat pose, shoulders back and down. 10. Exhale, twist, ta-da, boom. There we are. Little razzle-dazzle there. Exhale as you twist. You can slow this down if you like. Always feel free to pause the video. But remember, this is your workout now. Do it anywhere. Do it at the gym. And feel that massive difference. Okay, half boat hold equals swell core burn. I tell you, this is just swell, daddy-o. Shoulders are back and down. Now 5 crunchy frogs. Little surprise there. Bring it in and out. Contract and extend. Boom. The crunchy frog. Okay, keep going. Finish off with 20 Spider-Man mountain climbers. Legs to the outside. Hands a little more than shoulder width. Rev up that heart rate. This is a quickie. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. And beautiful. Finish with child's pose. You liked it? Subscribe and press that like button. And you must own this book. Own my best-selling book, Power Yoga for Athletes. Over 100 yoga poses for all ages and fitness levels, as well as 25 complete yoga flows and training logs for all the major sports. Get your copy today, or perhaps you do better with 4 copies.